Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today I am back with another video, and today I decided to create this shadow right here. I actually got inspiration from a video that I saw on Instagram, and I'll leave that video down below on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check out her video as well. I don't have much to say, so let's just get on with the video. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna create this eyeshadow that I saw on Instagram, and as I said, I will be leaving the link of the video down below so you guys can go watch it too. So for today I'm gonna use two palettes, but I'm just gonna start off with this palette, which is a James Charles palette. If you don't know already, this is like my favorite palette. It literally has every color you need, and it's just so good. So I'm gonna take I think this shade right here, which is a very light pink. I'm gonna take that as my transition color, put this color on top of my crease, and I also already primed my lids and set them, but I'm gonna be adding that pinkish shade, the very light pink color, on top of my crease, and just blend it in with a fluffy brush. My next shade, I'm gonna take this like purple pink color. I'm gonna take this purple pink color right here, add that on my crease. So I'm gonna take that color into the crease. Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. Eso es lo que a ti te entiende. Cuánto te la pasas aquí pendiente. Cuando yo te toco terminas temblando. De este cuerpo me dejas deseando. Qué loquita, yo quisiera verte a ti, de solita, tu sonrisa, te quiero más de ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí, y yo aquí pensando en ti. Es cerquita, bebecita, ese cuerpo tuyo yo la tengo conocida. Yo me vuelvo loco y tú loquita, no vas a salir herida. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take that pink shade and I'm gonna start just kind of blending the edges so everything looks very seamless. I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna take a small flat brush and I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so I tap it in on the inner corner of my lid, and I'm gonna look up, and it creates like a line there, so I'm just gonna follow the line with the concealer. This is my little trick that I do all the time. It really does help me get like the perfect cut crease, at least for me. Qué loquita, yo quisiera verte a ti, de solita, tu sonrisa, te quiero más de ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí.
cerquita, bebecita, ese cuerpo tuyo yo la tengo conocida. Yo me vuelvo loco y te lo quita, no vas a salir herida. Oh, oh, te deseando. Tu carita, lo que me excita, compramos un Balenciaga para que los critican. Siempre fumamos, siempre tomamos, justo piste como era allí fuera.
Go back in with that color that we went on our crease, and I'm just gonna blend in that line of concealer and shadow we have here to make it look very seamless.
¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. Eso es lo que a ti te entiende. Junto te la paso aquí pendiente. Junto te toco y terminas temblando. De tu cuerpo me dejas deseando. Deseando.
I'm gonna take my Anastasia Prism palette. It looks like this. It's really pretty beat up. I've had this palette for a while already, so. And I'm gonna take a peachy shade, which is called Eden, right here. And I'm just gonna pack that color where I have the concealer at. Era de tu talla, mi amor.
Deseando. Mi chiquita, bebecita, qué loquita. Yo quisiera verte a ti, de solita, tu sonrisa. Yo te quiero más de ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. De cerquita, bebecita, ese cuerpo tuyo yo la tengo conocida. Yo me vuelvo loco y te lo quita, no vas a salir herida. Oh, oh, te deseando. Tu carita, lo que me excita, compramos un Balenciaga para que los critican. Siempre fumamos, siempre tomamos, justo piste como era.
There you go. I just packed the shadow. You can definitely just leave it like this. It looks very pretty, and put some lashes and you're done. But I'm gonna do one more little step. So I'm gonna add like a little glitter right here. I actually don't use glitter. I use this like melted chrome shadow, and it literally works exactly like glitter, guys. Definitely recommend them. And this one's by Essence, and they're only, I think they're about maybe $2-3. They have a bunch of colors. Mine is pretty beat up because I don't know what happened, but kind of crushed apart. But it looks like this. And this one is in the color Steal the Look, and it's just a nice silver shade. So I'm gonna try to open it because this thing is so little and I have some big ass claws right now. So okay, I opened it, but I mean, this is how it looks. It's basically like a glitter, like a pressed glitter kind of, but I don't know, you just have to buy it, okay? Just go buy it, guys. I'm taking a very small detail brush, and then I'm just gonna kind of just create a line right here.
Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. Eso es lo que a ti te entiende. Junto te la paso aquí pendiente. Junto te toco y terminas temblando. De tu cuerpo me dejas deseando. Deseando. Mi chiquita, bebecita, qué loquita. Yo quisiera verte a ti, de solita, tu sonrisa.
there, you're all done with it. So you guys, this looks like you have glitter, and just waiting to put it all over your lid. Oh my god, especially this color, guys, it looks so good. Let's finish our lower lash line. Well, the lower lash line is gonna be very easy. You're basically just gonna put the same colors that you put on top at the bottom.
Vas a salir herida. Deseando tu carita, lo que me excita. Compramos un Balenciaga para que los critican. Después fumamos y después tomamos. Justo viste como era allí fuera.
I'm gonna add this LA Girl Shock Wave Neon Lip Liners. I don't know why I say lip liners, but they're supposed to be for your eye. So this one is in the color I Blaze. It's like this purple pink color. So I'm gonna put this one on my lower waterline. I think that's what it's called. It just adds a little bit of pop of color on the waterline. So I'm gonna add my lashes off camera, and I also added a lipstick off of camera as well. But yeah, this is the finished look right here with the lashes on and the lipstick and everything. I really like the way this came out. Like, it looks so pretty, guys. I really do like it. I'm sorry if in the video I'm kind of rushing. It's just I'm trying to take pictures today, and it's already really late, and then I have to go somewhere as well, so I kind of have to hurry up. But yeah, I kind of like the vibe that I went for today, like everything pink. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this little shadow right here that I did for y'all guys. So yeah, I hope to see you on my next video, and of course, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe in the little red button. Just click subscribe. It just takes 1 second. And also, while you're at it, please make sure to have your post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video, so you won't miss any videos of me. And as well, like the video if you guys liked the video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.